Welcome to 130 Mariomi Road in New Canaan,
where curated elegance meets a modern lifestyle. At Sibilia with the agency, I'm the listing agent here, and I am super excited to take you on a visual tour of this stunning home.
And I'm Birgit. I'm the CEO and Creative Director of BA Staging and Interiors.
Just the attention to detail in this home is unsurpassed. One of my favorite things about this house here is the wood accents here in the ceiling that are picked up by the wood shelving, and just shows you the level of detail and architectural significance that's in this home.
When we planned the staging, we wanted to pick up on these beautiful architectural features and brought in natural elements into the home with rattan and the beads, and then organic ceramics that really accentuate this beautiful architecture. We also wanted to bring in the whites that are reflective of the coloring of the property and giving it a little bit of accent colors like the blues that we brought into this particular room.
So part of the marketing effort of this house was actually implementing a staging technique, which then you came in and did, and it really helped me market the home, reach a wider audience, get a lot of more views, and really just the wow factor when people walked in, right? Everyone felt that it was homey.
When we start staging, we always look first at who is the most likely buyer, who is the demographic that we want to appeal to. And we really take then this to the next level by looking at the architectural details of the property, where we look at the architectural features and how we can incorporate that into the staging design, and then translate not just the information about the demographics of who we're trying to target, also the psychographics of the people. What's their lifestyle? Where do they like to shop? And we really want to hone in with every single detail that we implement in the staging design. We purposely curate every single item to make sure that we create an emotional connection with them. And that's why our properties don't really look so staged, and people who come through our properties, they really feel it's a home. They feel, and the word is really feel, because feeling is so important when we're trying to sell a lifestyle. What is the next phase in your marketing strategy?
So that's when I was really able to take over and launching the house. There's a lot of things that happen behind the scenes. Get the photography in here, the video, the social media implementation to create awareness, to generate excitement, and to get people in here through the house, and ultimately procure offers for my sellers. Here's to a successful collaboration and a quick sale with all our work, my marketing, your staging, where we'll get this house sold in 2 weeks.
Cheers!
Salud!
Salud!